Hi, my name is Chris Wade and I'm a contractor from the city of Los Angeles. Today I'm going to show you how to clean bathroom floor tiles. Here we are with our bathroom floor tile and it's dirty and we want to clean it up. Most of the time, if you just spend a couple times a week cleaning it up, you'll eliminate any harsh stains. But if you do have a good stain on it, you want to use just a common mop, or for these purposes we're just going to use a common household rag. And we're going to take our warm water diluted with vinegar or peroxide or any non-chlorine product. Spray it down here. Wipe or mop, whichever you prefer. Just get up those stains. Any stain you see, just give it a little bit of a harder rub. Hit the grout a couple times, not too hard. Over here. And then you want to move to a just clean water with a sponge and just clean it up. Just wipe it up. If you see any residue there, hit it again. And after you're done wiping up, pretty much check to see that everything's clean and you're good to go. Again, the main thing from having to do any harsh cleaning is to just keep up your maintenance each and every week, a couple times a week, and you will always have a clean, shiny floor. And that's how you do it.